Select the template category you want to use. When starting a presentation, of course, you'll start with an opening, so choose the opening. There are several opening options here. Just choose the one you like. I'll take this example. Click on the slide, then copy the slide, Ctrl+C. Then click File, create a blank presentation. After that, paste the previous slide, Ctrl+V. Just delete the blank slide. Of course, all the slides are already animated, so you just have to copy and paste. Easy, right? Then go back to the folder and select the template category again. Just select it as before, click on the slide, then copy the slide, Ctrl+C. Go back to the blank space we created earlier, then paste the slide as before, Ctrl+V. The system is very simple. Select the slide you want to choose, copy Ctrl+C, and paste Ctrl+V. For text and images, just change them. Of course, it won't change the animation either. It's quite easy, right? Then you are ready to present with smooth animation. Of course, this will make the audience not bored with ordinary presentations.